This song features two chord patterns. For the verse and chorus, we'll start on a G major, G, B, D, go to an A minor, A, C, E, then get down to a C major, C, E, G, and up to a D major, D, F sharp, A. In one hand, with each chord getting 2 beats, it could look like this. 2, 3, 4, G, A minor, C, D, G, A minor, C, D. In two hands, that verse and chorus pattern starting on G major could look like this. 2, 3, 4. The bridge pattern starts on C major, C, E, G, moves up to D major, D, F sharp, A, then does that C chord again for half time, then it wants a G chord with B in the root, so we'll spell that B, D, G, and end up on a D major, D, F sharp, A. In one hand, that bridge pattern could look like this, starting on C major, 2, 3, 4, C, D, halftime C, G with a B root, D, 2, 3. In two hands, that bridge pattern could look like this, 2, 3, C major.